Hey everyone, ready to take your business to the next level? Today I'm breaking down how to build a digital transformation roadmap for your business. It's time to modernize without the chaos. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your vision. First things first, what's your end goal? You need a clear vision that aligns with your business objectives. Are you looking to streamline operations, enhance customer experience, or boost sales? Whatever it is, write it down and make it crystal clear. Step 2. Assess your current state. Now take a hard look at where you stand right now. What tech are you currently using? What processes are in place? Identify the gaps between where you are and where you want to be. This will help you prioritize what needs to change. Step 3. Set clear objectives and KPIs. Objectives are your milestones. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, will help you measure success. Be specific. Instead of saying improve customer service, aim for reduce customer service response time by 50% within 6 months. Step 4. Build your team. Digital transformation isn't a one-person job. Build a team of tech-savvy, forward-thinking individuals. You need people who are not just skilled but also enthusiastic about driving change. Your dream team will make or break this journey. Step 5. Choose the right technology. This is where the rubber meets the road. Choose technologies that align with your vision and objectives. Whether it's cloud computing, AI, or CRM systems, make sure they integrate well with your existing processes. Step 6. Develop a roadmap. Map out the journey. Break the transformation into manageable phases. Set timelines for each phase. This is your blueprint. It keeps everyone on the same page and helps track progress. Step 7. Implement and iterate. Start with small, quick wins to build momentum. Implement changes phase by phase. And remember, it's a continuous process. Gather feedback, measure results, and be ready to pivot if necessary. Step 8. Train and support your team. Change can be intimidating. Offer training sessions and support to your team. Empower them with the skills they need to thrive in this new digital landscape. Step 9. Monitor and adjust. Once you've rolled out the changes, keep a close eye on your KPIs. Are you hitting your targets? If not, analyze why and adjust your strategies. Digital transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 10. Celebrate successes. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins. Recognize the hard work and dedication of your team. Celebrating success will keep everyone motivated and committed to ongoing improvement. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to building your digital transformation roadmap. Remember, the key is to stay focused, be adaptable, and keep your eyes on the prize. Ready to transform your business? Let's make it happen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips. See you next time.